Hello children. Now second class mathematics. Say mathematics spelling children. MATHEMATICS. Say mathematics spelling. MATHEMATICS. Mathematics. Say again. MATHEMATICS. Mathematics. So our subject is mathematics. Now second chapter children. Our second chapter. What is our chapter? Numbers from 10 to 99. NUMBERS. Numbers FROM from 10 to 99. Numbers from 10 to 99. So in previous classes too, their bundles will counting and writing, and 20 to 21 to 30 numbers also will be completed in previous class. So now fifth bit children. Now which bit? Fifth bit. Numbers from 31 to 40. Numbers from 31 to 40. NUMBERS. Numbers FROM from, what is this number children? 31. 1 in 1's place, 3 in 10's place. So the number is 31. TO2 here 0 in 1's place, 4 in 10's place. So 4 tens means 40. See here. Here some bundles of sticks are given, some loose sticks also is given. So how many bundles of sticks are there? How many loose sticks are there? Then you count and write here. Okay, then add it. So let us start the class. See how many bundles of sticks here? How many bundles of sticks are there here? 1, 2, 3. So in each bundle to how many sticks having children? In each bundle to, say 10 sticks only. In previous class too we are already learning that. So in each bundle to 10 sticks are there. So here 10. So how many bundles of sticks here? Bundles are there. 1, 2, 3. 3 bundles. So in each bundle to 10 sticks. So how many tens are there here? 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. 3 tens having. Tens spelling TENS. Tens. 3 tens having. So how many loose sticks are there? Here loose sticks also is there? Yes. How many loose sticks are there? Only 1. So how many ones having here? 1. 3 tens plus 1 ones. 3 tens means how much children? 30. 3 tens means 30. Plus how many ones having here? 1. 1 ones. 30 plus 1. 31. Are you understand children now? Clearly? Yeah. Okay, good. 30 plus 1. 31. So next one. Here how many bundles of sticks are there here children? Let us count. So 1, 2, 3. 3 bundles having. So in 3 bundles too, in each bundle too 10 sticks are there. So how many tens are there here? 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. 3 tens means how many sticks are there in these 3 bundles too? So 1 bundle to 10. 2 bundles to 20. 3 bundles to 30. 3 tens means how much children? 30. 3 tens means 30. Plus how many ones are there here? How many loose sticks are there here? 1, 2. 1, 2. Here only 2 loose sticks are there. So here 3 tens plus 2 ones. 2 ones means how much children? 2 only. 2 in ones place. So 30, 3 tens means 30. 30 plus 2. 30, 31, 32. 32. 30 plus 1, 31. 30 plus 2, 32. Next one. Here, how many bundles of sticks are there, children, in next box 2? 1, 2, 3. How many bundles of sticks are there? So, bundles number only here write, children. Count and write. How many bundles having, that number only write here. Why? Here 1 bundle to 10 sticks having. So, here given tens. So, how many tens are there means how many bundles are there? So, here how many bundles having, children? 1, 2, 3. How many bundles having? 1, 2, 3. 3 bundles. Means 3 tens. 3 tens. So, here some loose sticks also is there? Yes. So, how many loose sticks having? That in ones place to write. How many loose sticks having? 1, 2, 3. 3 loose sticks. 3 tens and 3 ones. 3 tens and 3 ones. 3 tens means how much, children? 10, 20, 30. 30. 30 plus, which symbol is this, children? Addition symbol, plus. 30. So, how many loose sticks are there here? 1, 2, 3. 3 loose sticks having. So, how many ones having? 3 ones. 30 plus 3. 30, 10, 20, 30. 31, 32, 33. Why here I am counting 10, 10, here counting 1, 1? So, here in each bundle to 10 sticks having only, children. That's why here counting 10. Here only 1, 1 is there. So, that's why we are counting here 1. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33. 30 plus 3, 33. Write all of you. Count and write, children. Don't write simply. Don't copy. Count and write. So, next one. Here. How many bundles of sticks are there here? 1, 2, 3. 3 bundles of sticks. So, 1 bundle to 10 sticks having. 3 bundles to means 3 tens. T-E-N-S, tens. 3 tens. Here some loose sticks also is there, children. How many loose sticks having? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. 3 tens plus 4 ones. 3 tens means 30. 4 ones means 4. Already here given, children. 30 plus 4. 34. So 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. 34 only. Are you understand? This number is 34. 4 in ones place, 3 in tens place. Are you understand, children? Good. So next one. Here how many tens having? Here one box will given, empty box. So how many tens are there here, children? Let us count now. Tens. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens having. 3 tens. 3 tens plus how many ones are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Already 5 is given here. 3 tens plus 5 ones. 3 tens means how much, children? 30. 3 tens means 30 plus 5 ones. 3 tens means 30 plus 5 ones means 5. 30 plus 5, 35. Already 35 is given. Next one here. How many bundles are there? 3 bundles having. So 3 tens already is given. So here how many loose sticks are there? So let us count loose sticks, only loose sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let us count with me, children. You are also count with me. How many loose sticks are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 3 tens plus 6 ones. 3 tens means 30 plus 6 ones means 6. 30 plus 6, 36. So next one. Observe, children, here. Empty box only given here. How many tens are there in these 3 bundles too? 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. 3 bundles having means 3 tens. Why 3 tens? In each bundle too 10 sticks are there. That's why we are writing 3 tens. So how many loose sticks are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 loose sticks. 3 tens plus 7 ones. 3 tens means 30 plus 7 ones means 7. 30 plus 7. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. 30 plus 7, 37. So now next one, children. So here how many bundles of sticks are there? How many tens are there here? 3. 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens. I am already in previous number 2 we are explaining that. Okay. 3 tens. So how many loose sticks are there? Let us count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. 3 tens plus 8 ones. So 3 tens means 30 plus 8 ones means 18 ones place. 18 ones place. So 30 plus 8. Count it, children. 10, 20, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. 30 plus 8. 38. 30 plus 8. 38. Okay, right all of you, children? Okay, next one. See here. How many bundles of sticks are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 bundles means how many tens, children? 3 tens. 3 tens plus how many loose sticks having here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. 3 tens plus 9 ones. 3 tens plus 9 ones. 3 tens means 30 plus 9 ones means 9. 30 plus 9. 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. 30 plus 9, 39. Are you observing, children? Here. See here how many tens having? 3 tens. 3 tens means 30. So here how many ones having, children? Let us count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 ones. 10 ones. So total how many, children? 3 tens and 10 ones. So here ones plus 2 0, in tens plus 2 3 plus 1 4 only. 4 tens 40. See now here last one. So how many tens having? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens plus 0 ones. How many ones are there? 0 ones. So 40 plus 0? 40 only. 40 plus 0, how much children? 40 only. Okay, let us write now. So okay, write all of you children.